Hello students, let's today discuss the pH scale. The pH scale, you must be knowing about this. This is a very simple kind of scale. It was given by Dr. Sorensen in 1909, and the reading from 0 to 14 is in the scale. As we move up from 7 to up, the color will change if we use the indicator pH. The color of the solution will change as the pH value is changing from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, from greenish to dull greenish, then to orangish, and ultimately becoming the blood red. And if we are moving down, then the pH value is changing from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. As we are moving, the color from the greenish will be changing into bluish greenish, then it is to the purple and ultimately the violet. We know that already. This is not much of importance. You always remember pH scale gives the approximate value of a pH of any solution. At that time it was okay in 1909, but nowadays perfection is required. pH indicators, liquids are also available now. pH meters are also available, which is taking the charge from the ionic charge from the liquid and telling you the pH scale value. Okay, the more important about the pH is, if I compare concentration, if I compare the concentration of H plus ions, basically pH is based upon H plus ions. If I see the concentration of H plus ions as compared to distilled water, distilled water से compare किया जाए, तब हम देखेंगे how much H plus ions 0 pH value is taking, 1 is taking and 2 is taking. It is very easy to understand that. You see, in the 0 pH value, the number of H plus ions in the solution will be about 100 lakh, right? As we move down, cut out one of the 0, it will become 10 lakh, right? It will become 10 lakh. Then come to the second number, it will become another 0 should be obsolete, it is 1 lakh. Okay, then come to the pH 3, another 0 will go away, it will become 10,000. And if you move pH 4, then it will become 1,000. pH 5 means it will become 100. And at 6 it will become 10, and at green it will become 1. What do you mean by this? Means as we move 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, means we are moving towards a decreasing number of. Then the pH actually is increasing. Means at 0 the solution is having maximum H plus ions, means it is the most acidic medium. As we move down from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that simply means the acidic medium or acidity of a solution is decreasing. Like in the pH 0, it is about 100 lakh H plus ions containing this solution as compared to the distilled water. As we move down, what is happening? The concentration of H plus ions in the solution is decreasing. Okay, and as we move down, right, the basicity of the solution is increasing. But that doesn't mean the H plus ions are not available in the solution. Actually, the pH is based upon H plus ions. So H plus ions will be decreasing as we move down, and the hydroxyl ions will be increasing. But we will be taking only H plus ions, right? At 8, the H plus ions will be about 1 by 10. At 9 pH, 1 by 100. At 10, it is 1 by 1000. Very easy to remember how much H plus ions is containing by each value of the pH. Then 1 by 10,000. Then 1 by 1 lakh. Correct? And as we move to the 13, it becomes 1 by 10 lakh. And 14, the maximum number of OH negative ions will increase, but H plus ions will decrease to 100 lakh, 1 by 100 lakh. So this way we can know how much of the H plus ions has been moved from 7 to 0 is increasing, and H plus ions are decreasing as we move from 7 to 14. So this is basically the H plus ions numbers are decreasing as we move down, and H plus are increasing as we move up, which is indicated by the pH indicator. Now let's have few examples of which kind of solutions in our local life or domestic life we see. Like if you see red color means 0 pH, you can see the battery containing acid. Battery acid is having that kind of pH of 0. Then concentrated hydrochloric acid is having pH 1. Means as compared to the battery acid, the concentration of H plus ions in the concentrated HCl is little less, right? So remember few examples. In the body, in the stomach we see HCl or gastric juice is having pH about 2, correct? And you must be taking lemon, oranges, they have pH of, they contain citric acid, their pH is about 3, correct? Now acidity, you see if you take the urine is having pH about 4. So as we move down, the H plus ion concentration is being decreasing. Down means from 0 to 7. Like tomato, we are using at home for making the vegetables. Tomato, which is basically having pH of 5, it is acidic, containing oxalic acid. And then we have a soda water, which we are actually taking 5 to 6. 5 is tomato, soda is having 6. Sometimes the soft drinks is in between the 5 to 6. Remember that, right? Now this 7 is actually neutral solution. 7 is basically neutral in nature, means it is neither acidic neither basic. So green color will be shown by the pH indicator. But as we move down now, we will see actually the pH is decreasing, but that simply means the solution is more or basic, not the acidic. Blood is having about pH of 8. So blood is little alkaline in nature, correct? Then we are using baking soda at home, which is having pH about 9, right? Baking soda, which is being utilized for making the cake, you always remember that, right? If we go down, then if we see the salt of sea, salty sea water is having pH 10, right? Milk of magnesia, it is used in the antacids, is having pH 11. Soap which we are using at home, having pH, soap or washing powders which we are using is having pH 12. Because it is alkaline in nature, so it is having a cleansing effect also. Remember that. So soaps are little corrosive in nature also, if they are hard towards, if they have more alkalinity, remember that, right? Then we have 13 is for the bleaching agents or bleaching materials जो ब्लीच करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं, that have alkalinity of pH 13, correct? So bleaching you must have gone through it. Is bleaching powder is also being used for bleaching the clothes, bleaching woolens, etc. And some of the alkaline materials are used for drainage. That material which is used for drainage is having maximum basicity, that basic in nature, that is about 14 pH. So remember these few examples connected to the pH scale. Now pH scale, the basic fundamental of the pH scale, if you have to understand, is numerically pH is actually equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. Remember, this is the formula by which we take out the H plus ions of any of the solution. We will discuss more about it. Now, this is the pH, minus log is the table, and if I take this particular box, this is a symbol for concentration, whatever was placed in between. So if I place H plus ions, it is telling the concentration of H plus ions. So this is a basically explanation of each part. Log is a table, the box is concentration, and it is expressing the H plus ion concentration. Remember this pH scale, few of the examples, and how the H plus ion concentration is also decreasing and increasing as we move up and down. And color changes, which always give the approximate value of the pH, right? pH indicator, that's a liquid is made up of highly concentrated acids and bases. A lot of combinations of indicators are mixed together to form a universal indicator also, right? But here's the pH. I hope it will help you in the MCQ. Especially I made this video especially to do the MCQ, so that you should remember the example connected to the different pH and also the concentration level of the H plus ions decreasing and increasing. Thank you.